Welcome to Maths for You YouTube channel. A past question on normal distribution statistics. Let x be normal distributed random variable with a mean of 6, mean value of 6, and a variance of 4. Let z be random variable with a standard normal distribution. Z is the standard normal distribution. X is the normally distributed random variable. The question 1, find the probability x greater than 6. The x is normally distributed random variable, and the mean value is given. That is normally notation we use, mu. Mu is 6, and the variance is the standard deviation squared, or lambda squared, or sigma squared, is 4. So standard deviation will be square root of 4. Right, I just put the normal distribution curve. It's the perfect bell-shaped curve and symmetrical about mu equals 6. So the x-axis equals 6, and it's symmetrical about it. The actual area of that, the bell shape, or the area under the bell shape, is equal 1. That is represent the probability. The whole area will represent the probability. So mu equals 6 is the symmetrical line. The left-hand side is 50%, the right-hand side is 50%. So you could say this is 50% and this side 50%, and the mu is the center point or the symmetrical line. What we need, the probability of x greater than 6. X greater than 6 means mu 6, so x greater than 6, the right hand side of the mu line or the symmetrical line, that one. So that is 50%. The 50%, the probability, that 50% probability is 0.5. So the probability x greater than 6, 0.5. If they would have asked that probability x less than 6, it would be 50 as well. So half is the probability where 6, x greater than 6. So that's the first part. It's very simple. The second part, find b such that a probability greater than 7, that is equal probability z less than b. So we need to find b. So that's, as I said, normal distribution, and the standard deviation is 2. I put a couple of more sketches. The first one is the normal distribution or normal distributed. It's no, the actual curve is x normal distributed 6 and 2 squared. 6 is the mean, mu, and 2 squared is a standard deviation squared. And this side, z, the z value curve, and z normal n, 0, the mu is 0, and the standard deviation is 1. So what we need to find is greater than 7. So x is greater than 7. So 6 in the middle, the mu, the 7, the 1 greater than 6, that's 7. And this side is 1 less than 7 is 5. So if you look at it, the mu is the symmetrical point, and 1 this side, the right hand side, and 5 the other side. So let's look at it. So what they say is probability x greater than 7. So what it is, anything right hand side of the the curve, the line x equals 7, this one. So this is this area. So if you could say this area is A, we can work it out, but we don't need to go that far. So this is, that area must be equal to this area. So this is equal x less than 5. That is equal. So when you look at the area is represents the probability. So that the probability of x greater than 7 equal a probability of x less than 5. So that's what it is. So what we need to find the z value. So probability z value less than b. So we don't know what b is, but we need to find it. So that is why I got this the z sketch. The 0 is the mu. So if you could this side, that so if this is 1, this is half. The reason why it's half minus half, this side is plus half. So the reason why it's half, because of if it's a standard deviation, say for example, if it's 4, the standard deviation is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, then that the one standard deviation, and again this side is if it goes up to the standard deviation, it will be minus 1. But what we want, just 5, this half of the standard deviation for the normal distribution, that is half, minus half. This 0 is the mu, the mean of the z distribution. So it's anything left hand side is negative, anything right hand side is positive. So it's just one less than, so 6 is 5, so 1 less than, therefore is half of standard deviation is minus half. So that should be is p z less than 0.5. That is exactly what it is, half. So b equal 0.5 minus. This is minus. Yeah, minus. So b is minus. It's very simple as long as you understand the normal distribution and the z distribution. Z distribution is the mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. The normal distribution is given 6 and the standard deviation is 2. So p is 2. That's all. And again, if you look at it, just 1 mark each. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And if you can manage to draw this bell-shaped curve or graph, then very easy to understand where we are. So b is minus half. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents to other students and friends. Again, send me some question if you do have some question which you need some walkthrough. Send me the question via comments. Thank you.